Hi there, my name is Miss Ramsey and I am a science teacher at Rocky River, and today I'm here to tell you why you should consider taking AP Environmental Science, also affectionately referred to as APES. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, first and foremost, why in the world would I take an AP class? Isn't that going to be really hard? And the answer to that is, yeah, it'll probably be pretty challenging, but that's the whole point. A lot of times in life, you're going to find that if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you for the better. And this is the opportunity to take a course that gives you a real intro into what college could be like and the course load that you'll experience when you get there, while still having the support of your high school teacher and also your peers in the class. Okay, sometimes we get into college and we find that we're sitting in a sea of 150 to 200 people. But when you take an AP course in high school, you're often sitting in a smaller class size and you have plenty of opportunity to get as much help as you need with the course content. So if you're thinking it's going to be challenging and that puts you off the idea, I promise you that no matter what, in my classroom and with the other AP instructors, you'll get the support that you need to make it through. Now, let's talk about why specifically we should take AP Environmental Science. My first hook here is that it's a really good intro to AP Sciences in general. So if you're thinking about moving up to AP Bio or AP Chemistry, AP Environmental is a great place to start. It's a lot of general knowledge about the planet and kind of some softer intro content that can be a little bit easier to grasp as a first intro to AP. But not only that, I believe that environmental science is one of the most relevant courses that you could possibly take at this point in time. Okay, so yeah, sure, we'll learn about the planet and we'll learn about earth science concepts, but there's so much more than that. We talk about people and how we as a species impact our planet. We talk about the economy, we talk about the government, and we talk about how we're all interconnected, right? At this point, you guys are probably aware that we're having some energy issues and also global warming has popped up as a really hot button issue in the past few years, especially. Now, there's never been a better time to learn about these because you and your generation are going to be the ones that have to come up with the solutions to these crises, right? We're seeing global warming, destruction of habitats, decreases in biodiversity, and all of this not only affects the other species on the planet, but it impacts us as well, okay? So come take my course, come see what it's all about. And not only will you gain some study skills and content knowledge that you can take with you to college, but you're also going to learn about important solutions that will drive your everyday decisions and make you a more informed citizen. So I hope to see you in my course. And if you want some more information, you can always email me at caitlin.ramsey@cms.nc.us. And that's Caitlin, Kaitlin.Ramsey@cms.k12.nc.us. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.